maybe it's better than to. You want to be able to hear the thing. Alright, we'll see how this sounds. We're doing a big show tonight. Today is Saturday. The heck you mean? Today is Saturday. I swear. The mic might pick up some of the guitar. It's a different, they're two different channels. Well, I don't know, we want to hear both of them.